Hello everyone, welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest update across South Sudan and beyond. Today program is a special one. We will take you through an exclusive and detailed conversation with Honorable Nhial, one of South Sudan's most respected political leader. In this interview, he talked openly about his new political movement, democracy, peace, and what really went wrong within the SPLM party. He also explained why the 2013 war could have been avoided if the SPLM and the Yadid had chosen a different path. So stay tuned as we bring you this full conversation. And before we start, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Well, the interview began with a question about Deng leaving the SPLM and forming a new political movement. The interviewer asked, how do you plan to transform your whole party and what step will you take for your new movement? Deng replied that the country suffers from what he called a social disease. Nhial explained that South Sudan needs leaders who can unite the people and work for real national healing. He said the most important thing is to rally the people behind a common goal, to rebuild trust, restore hope, and open a new political chapter based on peace and democracy. Nhial stressed that every citizen should have the opportunity to take part in shaping the future of South Sudan. He added that peace can only come when the constitution is finalized and fair elections are held before 2026. When asked about the SPLM itself, Deng said that the party must go back to the drawing board. He explained that the SPLM once had a great vision, but over time, the value of democracy, unity, and equality were lost. He believed that leadership must be based on listening to the people, not controlling them. Nhial stated, if the party cannot reform itself, then it is time to create a new political path that reflects the true will of the people. He made it clear that his focus is on peaceful democratic transformation, not division, not revenge, but a real reform for the nation. The interviewer also asked about the long list of peace agreements that South Sudan has experienced. The 2015 peace deal, the Reply Peace Agreement, the Rome Initiative, and even the visit by Pope Francis and other Shia leaders in South Sudan. None of these agreements have fully succeeded. So the question was, who is responsible and why has peace not lasted? Nhial said that every peace agreement was signed under different conditions, and each time leaders failed to fully honor their commitment. He added that too much has been lost because of political pride, mistrust, and lack of accountability. He emphasized that peace comes from genuine dialogue and a shared vision, not just from a signature on paper. In one of the most powerful moments of the interview, Deng revealed something that shocked many listeners. He said that the 2013 war could have been avoided if President Salva Kiir Mayardit had accepted the SPLM party's proposal to elect its flag bearer for the 2015 election. And Nhial explained that the split within the SPLM began when President Salva Kiir Mayardit rejected three key demands presented by President Dr. Riek Machar, one of which was to hold a national convention and democratically choose the party presidential candidate. Deng said after the dismissal of several senior SPLM members, I lost faith in the direction the party was taking. That was when I realized the president could not be able to restore the SPLM to its former strengths. This honest confession highlighted how the root of the 2013 conflict were political and could have been prevented through democracy and dialogue. The interview then turned to the issue of opposition unity. Many South Sudanese citizens believe that opposition groups are divided, making it hard to bring pressure to reform. Nhial said that his movement aimed to unite different opposition group, including the United People Alliance, UPA, under Paganamum. He believed unity among reformists is a key to achieving peaceful change. He also addressed criticism that former SPLM leader, including himself, are not democratic by nature. He replied, democracy is not about where you come from, but what you stand for. We must show our people that leadership means service, not control. Nhial called on youth and women to take active role in rebuilding the country. He said that real democracy cannot exist without the voice of women and young people who represent the future of South Sudan. Finally, the conversation touched on the role of the international community. Nhial said that organizations like the African Union, East African Community, and the United Nations are still watching South Sudan closely, but patience is running out. He said if our leader fail to find internal solution, the people will continue to suffer. We must act now to bring real reform and ensure peaceful power transfer. He also explained why he made his new political declaration outside the country, saying it was for safety to speak freely about reform without intimidation. Nhial encouraged all South Sudanese, especially the youth in the diaspora, to stay connected to their country future. He said the new movement is open to everyone who believes in peace. His final message was clear: let us build a South Sudan where no child is born into war and where every citizen has a voice. That was Honorable Nhial sharing deep insight. Let me share with you one of the interview where he spoken about why the 2013 war should have been avoided. Let's listen to this together.
I left. When I returned in 2008 and rejoined the government, again, there was a lot of, not pressure, but people basically insisted that I should rejoin the government. At first, when I came back, after I left, I basically wanted to confine my activities to the SPLM as a political party and not to participate in the executive. But at that time, the president and many people thought that I would best serve in the government. That's where my abilities could best be utilized. So I accepted. All along, I've been trying to persuade the leadership on the need to work collectively within the SPLM. That has not happened. Even in 2013 was not inevitable. It could have been avoided. As a matter of fact, I was one of those who was telling the president that the demands that were put forward by Riek Machar should have been accepted because they would not have done any harm. He basically made 3 demands that when the National Convention is held, because the whole idea now was when the National Convention is held, who would be elected as the standard bearer of the SPLM and who would be the candidate of the SPLM in the presidential elections in 2015. That was what it was all about. And so both President Salva and Dr. Riek Machar wanted to be elected as that candidate. Dr. Machar, to enhance what he thought would enhance his chances of being selected as the chair of the SPLM in the National Convention, was basically to put 3 conditions forward. He insisted that the chairman of the SPLM should not select 5% of the membership of the National Convention, that the chairman of the SPLM should be elected by the National Convention along with his deputies. And third, and more importantly, that when it comes to elections in the National Convention, they should be done by secret ballot. I tried to persuade President Salva that he should accept those demands, because looking at them critically, in fact, some people even try to dissuade him from going along with the idea of having people vote, convention delegates vote by secret ballot. They were telling him that, if you accepted that, our people are illiterate. And so most of them might end up voting for Riek Machar by mistake, which was quite a ridiculous argument. But he seems to have voted, you see. And as a result, he rejected all the demands. Now, the sad thing, the tragedy, is that after these demands were rejected and people went to armed conflict and a lot of lives were lost, he came back in 2015 and accepted those very demands. You see, so all along, the reason why I've stayed all this long is because I had always hoped that I would be able, maybe with some other colleagues, to persuade him first to come back to the SPLM fold, because when he took over, he was persuaded that those SPLM colleagues of yours that have come with you from Bilfam are up to no good. Actually, they want to replace you. They want to remove you. And he took that to heart, and he started basically undermining his colleagues in the leadership. And that, of course, has ended, as we all know, with the humiliating dismissal of historical leaders of the SPLM, those of Wani, those of General Awed, those of General Kwal Manyang. So he bought into that and started distancing himself. But for me, I did not lose hope, you see. Even in 2013, when most of my colleagues, like-minded colleagues, left, I stayed behind, still hoping that through dialogue, through persuasion, we might be able to convince Salva Kiir to come back to the fold. Unfortunately, this did not happen. And this is one of the reasons that prompted me, because I now came to the realization, especially after the dismissal of Comrade Wani, Awed, and Kwal Manyang, I came to the conclusion that there was no way the chairman was going to change his way. So I had to leave. Another reason that might have delayed me from taking this decision is the fact that in our movement, the SPLM, we have a kind of almost a military style discipline, and normally you don't stick your neck out before your seniors do that. So naturally, one would have been expecting that my colleagues, especially Wani, Paul, and Awed, would be the ones to take the lead, would be the ones to initiate, basically talking to the chairman and trying to persuade him to come back. It was not yet my turn. But after they were, they were dismissed, it became clear that somebody else within the leadership now has to take charge, you see, and speak out and move. So basically, the reasons are that we have reached a stage where there is total failure. There is total failure of governance. The transition has come to a halt. The conflict in South Sudan is about political power. And the problem is the way in which it is being managed, you see, because the way political power is managed is that the
Ner malaka nyamka national content ba jome ba jilin gwasme bana rwache ke kwi interview dung Nhial Deng Nhial le shalat ka kor gwasan paiwe Nhial Deng Nhial te rwai ni shalat gwasan chaje interview tin akan kono nyamre rwache me gore jen wajin me jira majidit ka Changfied YouTube channel gore jen wajin der subscribe ko notification bell der je twany ko mi chete kler mi che bay gwasme der shumala shube keji and job banding very important along ka kwi ta dan and we siasa we ka jere we ka South Sudan kana ta dan and we kwar we ka jem Nhial Deng Nhial re rache me jen charwaje long ka ti batch tin chalat ka je kir mi yadit kana do badana jene ka jen interview on dan chalat tiang baje gorno baje nyaka yakel do badana jen Nhial Deng Nhial ka je kan tindin kona chati ka je jang ken ke jangel the council ban man dan sholat gwas ban je ling in detail ko gor kono bantin control bana ka ngakel honorable Nhial Deng Nhial jen rami loske long la political leader rewika South Sudan lot ka jagatin yala kona lede loka na tedun wan lede long re kuma ka to go to noke cha joje gwano Nhial Deng Nhial wen me cha joje wo chaje interview ke chaje teach no are ler kan ban jeling manana chalata menu dung mi ke mi yadi che no kono ba queen kwar ba jalat jene chi ron kin dang wal jok che de 2013 wore dan ki kuri ci to jende ya kapchong dung mi kin mi yadi che raje dan inshallah Dr. Riek Machar che jeling bana jom ban jelat bana jeling in detail ka ta dan en che ben ke ja Nhial Deng Nhial chaje tejen wone na ngu check bond mo ke part mi jidit ko Nhial Deng Nhial che part mi shale South Sudan Salvation Movement che chak rai wit ka South Sudan no ngu ku part mi jidit ku ja form ka jamo no chanyo tej bon wona na duob dien mi bi party SPLM e wal bija ger ka jamo bala mugwa ke baje no kana ka tada nan Nhial Deng Nhial che te ka jam Nhial Deng Nhial che lo jen wona na jana wi South Sudan che chu je long ko gwasme ba jara South Sudan take mutual social disease lo jana South Sudan take jwe and jwe mo jwe ko shine de kon la kwar chigen gorno de kan mal de kan non ke de ka South Sudanese de kan kanang malka de kan wi de kan jako to bagwa ajen mo ajere kadana to ajen anto ko South Sudan ke le jen kwa ko ile chole nyen wocce tiang le chete ke jui ko cha man la tok do de na ko je ja ji gorno de je la let chela do ne ne ke jen do bran cha ti ke je ajen dungmi ci kwer ndana kep South Sudan no chero moy ka dor mo ba jog da ba je look an ideal content wi ka South Sudan ki me de ideal de kamat ajendera gwa long dara na dara kan ngak karodian kadara mal ki men gor ke South Sudan o bala slet dara gwadde no ajani de mal dara ben kadara woj badara let ka lor ki dara te democracy na mo ma chaje lat quarten counter woje tama da la magwa Nhial Deng Nhial chela do na en kanet kontila jewo kid citizen de kan take opportunity ki bang ko de ram kwarama noka der ja kwan ki de kan South Sudan de kan nang niam ko do badana gwi keneje ajani de ne content re ka South Sudan la citizen de ka kamshunken ko de kan gwi dane ko der lat der je lat chit ko on tama der an der kwan ke national election der kwarama danan gwije man de nang niam der je chu kwan chit ka ta dan ba kuin kwar ba je lat ke je 2026 je wona mo akel mi chikana kan lat chanyo go teach ke kui SPLM party dun kirmi yadi no anu jin dire lo jok no ko antama chi jin ray party ka shela do ne ajena SPLM anu bna lo jok ten manyam SPLM jen take a great vision te ko te mo gwa de lat no no gwade dane kwa South Sudan kwa je ke je metena dor te SPLM ko dara la party mugwa mede na der shunken der ka lat kada na der ka kam freedom ko der am men la de set ke election der an der ko der ko nyala jin but you wona me en democracy da ne gwe ke kume me lat ke kume SPLM ano che ka mijena she quality da ne te ke je ke quality me da ne te ke je na mo ta da ne gwe je no der mugwa der lat ke je che ka minire no china chicken ka mi dong chicken kum chicken lengek ala kum che ko control ne ko la citizen ko dara ka right ka bom de no dong dara ka kamshun ken ka joda na chalat gwasmen Nhial Deng Nhial ajane state and kum che jako ba control na ki ba ka kep ko bom no chiran che bete ke sei ke che bete ke ret re kum ka Nhial Deng Nhial ajane par mi chicken mo chero de reform ki chero de ger karwade ko mo logo ne ka ko ne ko ka control tel gwam de partner mo der within Nhial Deng Nhial chela do tama at time ko benite kon la South Sudanese began to take a new political path again mi shaka South Sudan Salvation movement ka jamoni ko che gu jeno shi SPLM pinkir mi yadit che boy ke che je che do be dane cha la kan wo de reform de lat ke je gur te ko control na shela do ne jen party de ko focus ko be malbaben ko ba democratic transformation ba jalat ke bene di albuga te kalwar ajane tele shi o binari anda shi o to bete ke revenge and ob ngako che changa jek be ngako mo je be jele shenga jek ajane shejen ajane no be wuj baro ger gore ne dia gore collective thought canadian no adobdien banaw nyam ke je we jena dana to party de tetin chanyo tijeno ne na ke malati shop ko disha ala dere wi ka South Sudan kirma yadi te Canada to machar ka ko de madara ben ko ne ke 2015 take cha peace deal cha jalat cha reply peace agreement cha do bajalat cha Rome initiative la taidan che kwer kir kan da ko machar ke by president Deng kine ko ken che won ne ka rom waga jek ke Pope Francis che yere jena kana other kwar lwa ko tentere which in mi ka kwi malka ngum mi chitu og me kan mi shena mo kan lat ledo ko and none of this agreement tell me sha implemented can succeed tell me succeed so tinyo ne anga mi te ka dur mi she gurno ba mal ba je tanyo ne ka jano shinawe ne ka rom wa mal ti wa kalat ano ke ngum peno bi mal be jenge jere wi ka South Sudan ne ci Nhial Deng Nhial je la no ne jene ni peace agreement ki ne mal me latke jen la ja tank under different condition ki te ka tila gorke te kwa demand party mandan te kujime kan kujime jene no en mo can na karudin link then after that they come back from Rome Initiative Peace Agreement ki peace deal kan gor kujime ka Pope Francis kan na mo che be kan la let ka ngam debel jene kire chala do ne chinate one she can tell Luanko dong de Malderben, ko Misha Mal charge tanchir Misha Latin college Luakot. Catch a becan can agreement more can let can implement. So knew the general she wait the jack. Nhial Deng Nhial Shella de One, Muguru Geno be Malba Bere Wika South Sudan, Guru Geno ba mal ki roch Misha agree ne di albaje lalet ki bajiling the nobela one party noga malka another party loga mal chona mo tina ba diel ba ko yi cha mal cha ja tan ke paper ke cha de gore warga ka mal ajana gura na netin content and when mo ko bi carodian dil ya jano bi kan mal mo bi kan latlet you know no but gwada me take mi cha lat Nhial Deng Nhial Nhial Deng Nhial take ler mi chalat mi chini dial chika ka joka je no rei rajana chalat ke interview mo Nhial Deng Nhial chelado ne na me sheje reveal ki ta mi shanga netin kono kwa interview no there lot they were not expecting this I guess agena 2013 war could have been avoided if President Salva Kiir had accepted the SPLM party proposal or proposed by Dr. Riek Machar. And no, the Queen Quad Jalat K 2013. And Nhial Deng Nhial Jenna, don't make a kirm yadit. She made a lot of Dr. Machar, she just accept. Go take a Dr. Machar no de la let, you know, no. Lo de Queen Quad Jalat K 2015. A Jenna make a kirm yadit, she accept no mokecha agree. A Jenna in 2013 war. She cannot talk, she courts a talk. Nhial Deng Nhial Shella do ne, made the gas PLM. Made the prison self came a yadit, can a Dr. Machar. There are 3 key demand teacher to a Dr. Machar. And Maniam, a the National Convention de Jelat, no. De Jelat democratically, Kick a dormant to Kalor, no. I cut the party presidential candidate, de Jedil Quanin Wenamo. Kun what they done, Nhial Deng Nhial Jella Wone, a genuine come made and maybe. Kurbu kule tuok agenda kama chargur jeno der la kuer der deja kwany Salva Kiir ba gur jeno der lead but Kiir she no no to de ka let ka de chiro draw che gur no take a national election mede lat gur jeno ba hold on to power benedi albaga control Nhial Deng Nhial chero mo che jelat duno Nhial Deng Nhial kula do ne agenda me nga jeno chi party me right ke kin me yadi no che boy che we adwo be dan HR senior official ko kume SPLM me chaka watch Salva Kiir ma yadit me shawane ga chajo ka vice president cha kol manyang yu chajo wo chane ko ken chaka watch cha nga je no te garar din mo gor Kiir no banang re kuma ka ke mi ba mo ka power ajar cha realize no na president will not be able to restore the SPLM to its former strength cha nga je no Kiir ma yadit tela mal mi banong ches SPLM cha je nyok mo lo ja ka do be dane shabai jen gwada dana kwa jere license anyok kela de wona ajana ngaje no dong buani ga kenetin ko kenti la senior official tin dini kan kaje ajana ngaje no dong buka benial buka right ke jen kuimi shirka namo ajana I thought that they will take the lead but kaneti kan kanagor shu bene kan kabedien ka kan rasha ga wujre kuma ka Nhial Deng Nhial kela de wona mi shirka na me she prom ko ba parida baje form ko shanga je no SPLM tele gwa wetin ka jo dan kela gwasmene Nhial Deng Nhial aram kel mi bum chairman chiangach shela do nena ajen mi ko pada kwa jo form ko on tema che tel way out Ajen menen yana bon go en no bi mal betere wi ka South Sudan can all this agreement e cha tan chikir me yadi chek go no dera kala let you know chega lelet a shit ko ne na antama ngai kon diale en wo 2015 the election de la ke charge look akir anyok agreement de alte ko de cha tan no shi kir ke chaga tag yok chelo no she nyok lat bon wo ne na en go ba election ba jelat me chelung wal ke 2013 dan bukur to gaje ajen muna ko wo be rek ma char ba jien anyo ke 2015 ken man de alte konte cheluk point de ke me yadit sikir che lu njok ke jog cher te konde ya ban pin chakale banok Nhial de ngal chela do ne ne angu mi jaga 1000 people ko bikeliu jaga na ko bikariar ka jeno chelung ne kenyam ajene jen mi jian ne ke jen tamen go en South Sudan gore party mebene dial baka par chela do jen mi mo kwa movement da kwa nyo mo kwa ja form ka ja mat ke United People Alliance bon dang wante ko de cha form te right apagana mum shawo jen mo mada katin ka ja ko ba South Sudan ba nyo mo kwa je reform ko chike cha kan no che go no te kamal mi biben cha ti je no na ba ka jin angu mi jen ke ji jin ti right na self ke ma yadit mi jen ga ji be part of the format side of South Sudan jara do ne ajani misha na me che jala de wika South Sudan de yen ke de detain shirkaman cha kolkor ku cha de detain cha dar kuma cha de detain and many other political senior official to let ka government ba shira de jala be jen bo what side ko wi ken ramo bo ti ai jen menen tama cha an ran cha goro dere jen achini al de nyal che jo mo che jalat chela do ne en party den me lede ka queen ene dial man dong gade tieni ngweni ko gor kan South Sudan no bro de change no gor je no ran ba jor be je to ko gor ko no South Sudan ba je ger ka bele te kamu bele te kamal ki ba te ke long lasting peace mi mo be en ran ba mal dana gore ki men gore wi ko South Sudan be je del jek ajana gore je no be South Sudan ba je transform alo bi medan e chare le kan wal kuma SPLM Dr. John Garang Rama biur ajene jan ba jog do ba dil kam lot ke jamone ki ba jo gor ci Nhial de nyal ci jomo ci jelat Nhial de nyal ci la do ne ba international community gor jeno de kan la de kan alat no ajene organization humanitarian African Union East African Community United Nation European Union ke e garne ne dialati ke ne dialati gor jeno de kan malame de kan lalet before a patient run out here Canadian kan nakej ko jene yal mo ke re wi ka South Sudan ke lamba chol South Sudan ti dial bi ke je so jo me shi wude shal ka me Nhial de nyal che jalat ka ta dan gwe jeno shi kirm yadit che dop che je bay ke che gorno te ka malma de bere wi ka South Sudan ka lugde ko ba national election ba jalat no so jo me ajana gorno de nyaka yekel ko de yente ka ngach komandan en le rode ko dong de rander man to gwat mi der janga gor jeno bene me be nyom ko je play ko bi ajeling che play no won ko de yente ka liang no why mi Nhial de nyal jene ka jamo ngu mi je to ko na me very shock ngalo no chala no dung mi chikir mi yadi che no 2018 peace agreement and so 2013 dung mi cha mal cha je gurno ba election ba jela de jentel ko mi de to but kir che choice no be rega me bele channeling kele nyok
because what happened and what prompted me to depart in 2006 was that from the moment we lost our founding leader Dr. John Garang I noticed that our movement started drifting away. Not only were the policies that the SPLM was supposed to formulate and use to run the government being thrown away, but even the cadres, the leading cadres of the movement were being marginalized. So it was clear to me.
So Joe me, Joe Lingyen Mogwas me ka Nhial de nyal lada jengo shi kume kirm yadit shi party vision cha jebat. Jen me lada jeno dungmi Dr. Yang Machar cha jo dan ne shalat dungmi cha jeling anu the national election de jalat jen kore dan cha de to 2013 chena je chicken de liu ko lia di de dan chi to jen it should have been avoided but Kir refused and yet still in 2015 and agreement dan sorry and proposal dan sha kameno de jalalet chulo lunjen jokke jog jen menen yana tama she Dr. Machar che no no bore wiki juba ko ba ji implement but then still Kir take a plan again so en tiai Nhial Deng Nhial me lebene dial tintere ka South Sudan lebe wan kenen wo kira la tok chamal che je gorno te mal me de ben rewi ka South Sudan so jo me de je nyaka yekel jen ler dan shalat ki interview na shalat Nhial Deng Nhial no kene nete contin la jeng elder council ko riwde dial gor kono Nhial Deng Nhial there we ka party special like one of the question which can teach you can Nhial no me chikir mi yadi den tame je che cholo no bari pomba jela de lu njok de lu ka party ko gor kono be Nhial Deng Nhial be lu rewi ki juba ka lu de rewi ki juba je no baje yen chere mangai kono so gor kono be kenapel ko kaneto cha policy jani chaje yar plan dien ako tele election ba la chaje yar Nhial Deng Nhial jen ma kai ken ga jen tama mane during interview ba la kana attack lon ka dub tung wan balalo jen je me the no men gor ke lon o South Sudan ke lu chaje borwa tribalist leader baje roje ne ti gor South Sudan baje push forward to care ke future dung South Sudan so jo me gor jeno de nyaka yekel me jiram jidit gwase me you know gor jeno jen dere subscribe ka Changfied YouTube channel ko detin kon lat ko de kan chwa mala shukiji en ban yo je kala rodien biata kamal bye bye